candidate proposes a detailed climate policy. His opponent smirks into the microphone and says, "So your plan is what? Hug the planet until it cools down?" The audience laughs. The proposal never gets discussed again. That's the appeal to ridicule. Laugh it off. Some arguments don't bother attacking your reasoning. They attack the vibe of your reasoning. If they can make an idea sound silly, childish, or laughable, they can skip proving it wrong. That's the core of this fallacy, mocking a claim instead of engaging with it. It's not logic, it's performance. You'll hear it in forms like, "So you believe that? Adorable? Yeah, right? Maybe unicorns too? Wow, that's your big solution? Sure, let's trust the science. Ha!" The laughter is the weapon, because when people laugh, they stop thinking. It creates the illusion that the idea is ridiculous, without ever showing why it's wrong. The appeal to ridicule is a cousin of the ad hominem, because it often mocks the person along with the argument. And like many fallacies, it leans on appeal to emotion. In this case, the desire not to look foolish in front of others. How do you catch it? When the joke replaces the logic. When tone becomes the whole argument. When disagreement comes wrapped in sarcasm instead of reasons. If someone can't explain what's wrong and can only make you feel dumb, you're not hearing analysis. You're hearing stand-up comedy disguised as reasoning. Next, the past can't fool me, right? We'll explore the gambler's fallacy.
Think critically, see clearly. Searchlighter.